day, man. I'm back again. So I got something I gotta tell y'all, man. I just noticed some issue with my radiator on my truck. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Alright, so guys, this is one thing I noticed. So we pop. I'm gonna show you this right here. You can see I normally have this fill up, right? So when I fill it up, it will come up to right here, like the normal, you know, amount you're supposed to put in there. So I realized when I look underneath, every time, well, it's not doing it now, but yeah, let me go to somewhere quiet. Normally you'll be able to see, sometimes it'll leak. I don't know if you guys can see. What I was trying to show y'all was, I just realized like my car was having some kind of fluid leaking, but it wasn't like oil or anything, but it was, come to find out this morning, realized my radiator was going bad. So like obviously I could, like, I don't know if you guys know, but sometimes you could smell like that smell from the radiator. Also you could, sometimes when you fill it up, when you fill up your coolant, like it just drain everything down so fast. It's like kind of like you never fill it up on time. So that's what I realized, and I did a few times with my radiator. And also when I start my car and warm it up in the morning, it takes some time for it to warm up. Like it doesn't take like 15 20 minutes. Like it takes a good, like, I'm not even gonna make this up, a good 30 minutes. Like my heat and all that stuff work. Like you can see right now, like you see right now, it's fully warm up now, but it's not really, I don't know, it still look like it's a little bit been leaking. And I've been trying to figure out, I'm like, yo, like why after it's leaking? So come to find out, my radiator on my truck is actually going bad. So now I'm trying to see if I can get it replaced, due to the fact that it sucks that I don't have, you know, it's not warm outside, that I'll be able to do it myself. But you know, I have work, and plus I have my kids and stuff, so, and I just be busy during the weekdays. So I try to film most of the time I can. So I called Meineken. Apparently that's their sign right there. So I told him that I need a new radiator, such and such. He was like, yeah, we could get that done for you. So come to find out, the thing that had me shocked was, I asked him how much was my whole total price, you know, price for the parts and, you know, labor and stuff like that. So I asked him, he gonna tell me something, $527. Like, I'm not trying to be cheap or anything, but I'll be honest with y'all, man. Me, I'm a cheap person, to be honest, but I like to save, not just spend money on some spending money and stuff like that. Like, I like saving. So I found out he talking about some $527. I'm like, yo, so what about if I bring my parts myself? You guys put that on. He's like, oh, well, it's gonna be $2 something. So I'm like, okay, yeah, that's gonna be the best option for me, because I'm gonna just get the parts myself. Like, my thing is, the funny story is that he charging way more than just for like a stock radiator that I seen from AutoZone or Advanced Auto. Like they like $60 and up, like probably 60, and the highest you ever pay for a stock radiator is like I say $120, 30 or something like that. And I looked them up. I was planning on doing that before. One of the reasons why I choose to try to do stuff on my own with my truck, because like the ones I can't, because stuff like this, yo, like if you don't really know your stuff about cars and stuff, like that's how they really rip people off. So I'm just kind of a little bit, you know, disappointed and tight about that. But overall, guys, like I'm gonna do what's best, and yeah, that's it. Not been 2 weeks, yo, and I got a nail. That shit right here, you see it? It's not been 2 weeks, and I got a nail in my tire already, yo. Like, I'm really going through some this right now, yo. See, I should have kept those tires on, yo. That's a sign right there. right here. Cutting this right here. I'm just cutting that part. And then this is the part that's gonna come off. It's gonna make a difference. You're gonna see. Get over. You ready?
Yeah, man. Go ahead.
Set that drum. Right there. That shit got it.
Yeah. Brake plate to go on next.
Yeah. The reason why I'm cutting shit off now.
You got dirt falling on you and everything.
Facts, so. Yo, this shit coming off, bro. Hey, yo. You see that shit? This shit coming off.
Start it moving it and then put it in the slide. It'll go in easier.
You said stop moving it?
Yeah, start it. Pull the trigger and then go.
There, yeah. Oh, you see that shit hanging? I got it off. Y'all see that? Leave that shit just like that. We're gonna see how that shit sound. Hold this, bro. Let's start this shit up, yo.
Yeah, that's it.
They make a difference though, right?
Go give it some.
Want me to grab it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yo, this shit sound crazy though. It's crazy how I just took this off. I took this shit off. I'll see you guys in the next one.